Quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Taurus. So we have the Five of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. Maraming pinanghinayangan dito. Well, meron ng separation or padating na doon sa separation. Meron ng mga challenges na hindi natin maintindihan bakit to nangyayari. Pero I feel like someone here made a decision to leave the relationship pero parang may bawi parang gustong bumalik, parang hindi ko pala kayang iwan, no? The mere fact of the thought or probably thinking na magkakaroon na kayo ng separation, kung sino man yung nagsabi, parang hindi niya talaga yun minimin. Merong mga pagkakataon na siguro matabi lang talaga yung dila, pero nung naisip niya na, nung kumalma na, no, itong kanyang emotion, bigla niyang naisip, hindi pala. Hindi ko pala kayang mawala ang aking person. With the Ten of Pentacles in here, well, siguro, sabihin na natin malaki yung tulong mo, no, sa kanyang abundance, whether this is monetary, spiritual-wise, mental-wise, no, or emotional-wise. One thing's for sure, hindi matutuloy itong separation. This is your quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Taurus.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.